and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this diffuser using just simple items you may have already in your kitchen or in your medicine cabinet. It's so quick and easy to do, you're going to want to make one for each room in your house. What you're going to need is a container with a small opening at the top. You're also going to need 6 or 7 bamboo skewers with the pointy ends cut off. To your measuring cup, you're going to add 1 cup of distilled water. You're also going to need some alcohol. I'm using a 91%. You can go as high as 99 if that's what you have. But if you have only 70%, I'm sure that's fine too, but I wouldn't go any lower than that. So to your water, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. Now you're going to add whatever essential oils you want to add. I'm adding lemon and lime. Now you're going to take your solution and you're going to pour it into your container. Add your bamboo skewers, and that's pretty much it. Just remember that once the skewers are saturated halfway up, make sure that you flip them and so that the other side gets, or the other end gets saturated as well. I have them in the bathroom, so every time I go into the bathroom, I look and I flip them, and that's pretty much it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. And until next time, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now.